So, good evening, all. Myself, Deepan. I'm a proprietor and designer of DPN Engineering Service. Our business is to provide engineering services from various sectors like oil and gas, cement and mining, and water treatment plants, and automotive industries, etc. That's why we choose SOLIDWORKS. Even if we get projects from different sector, we have decided we need one software that to complete all those things. So that's why we choose SOLIDWORKS and DraftSight also, which is more helpful to us. For example, we are a service provider, so the client need all those things from myself, from my end, like standard ports, whatever it is, which is easily to download from 3D content central or 3D experience or marketplaces, so which is easy to complete a project. Since we use SOLIDWORKS in 2022, it's been going very well so far. After this, we have expand our business from various sectors. Thank you, SOLIDWORKS, and thank you, SIMTEK, for giving this opportunity to us. Thank you.